So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your RAM is properly seated in the correct slots. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. You want to go to the Performance tab, and then you want to check your memory. Make sure that all the RAM that you have is showing right here. So for me, I've got 4 sticks of 8GB of RAM, which is 32, and it is showing for me here, so it is installed properly. Now here might be the problem. It might not be showing the correct speed. In my case, when I installed my RAM, it was showing 2133, but it was meant to be 3200. So I had to enable XMP in my BIOS. So make sure that you have XMP enabled in your BIOS. It might be either XMP or it might be DOCP. For most of you guys, it's probably going to be XMP, which is what you have to enable. You want to search online your motherboard name. So for me, my motherboard is this right here. And then type in how to enable XMP. You want to follow the steps that will come up here, which will then help you enable XMP for your motherboard. So just type in your motherboard name and then type in how to enable XMP. Since we're all using different motherboards, just follow the steps that will come up for you. If you don't know which motherboard you're using, you want to go to search and type in system information. Click on it. It should then show you right here. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. You can also go to search and type in memory diagnostic. You should now be seeing Windows memory diagnostic. Click on this. And then click on restart now and check for problems. It should then start running this scan for you. Once that's been done, it will tell you what the problem is.